So today we're going to be playing in this Yaki straight lace wig, courtesy of Best Lace Wig. Now what's so awesome is they already bleached the knots for you. It comes with 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and they've even added an elastic band that actually hugs out for me. Off camera, I went ahead and straightened out the hair and added some hair jewels, and I came up with a gorgeous look. Okay, my camera died, but we're back. As I was saying, this is the packaging. Oops. For WoWEbony. They have a really cool, little brochure with all the information on their company. And then, of course, they have their own custom tissue paper. So it's wrapped really nice when you actually receive it. They also sent over some wig caps and an elastic band with instructions on how to use it. So that's pretty cool.